Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question which says RNAi takes place in option A nucleoplasm, option B cytoplasm, option C mitochondria, option D nucleolus. Now let us understand the question. The question says RNAi takes place in. So where does RNAi take place? Now when we say RNAi, what do you mean by that? RNA. We all know RNA is nothing but ribonucleic acid. And what is this I for? Okay, it is nothing but interference RNA. Interference RNA. So why are we calling it as interference RNA? Here we are trying to silence. Okay, it is actually based on RNAi is nothing but RNA induced silencing. Okay, RNA induced silencing of gene. Silencing of gene. And when we say gene, we are not talking about the DNA level, we are talking about the RNA level. Because once the transcription is done, you get the RNA. And that level, that point, expression of this RNA further will be silenced. And that is again induced by another RNA. Okay, so that is what is known as RNAi. And this, that is RNAi, is actually controlled by a complex which is called as RNA induced silencing complex. Okay, so this is called as RNA, the bracket, okay, RNA induced silencing complex. So what does it do? It is actually a combination of RNA and protein actually. Okay, so this RNA induced silencing complex, it will actually bind to the mRNA and it will make the single stranded mRNA into double stranded mRNA, where the translation will not proceed further. Okay, so they're asking where does it take place? So once the transcription is over, where does the RNA go? Of course, it has to be transported from nucleus to the cytoplasm, right? So we know that we have the cell, we have the nucleus, and within the nucleus you have the DNA, and the transcription occurs here. So what do you mean by transcription? Transcription is nothing but formation of mRNA, right? Okay. So once transcription is done, the mRNA will move out of the nucleus and it will come to the cytoplasm. And in the cytoplasm, the silencing RNA will bind to this and it will make it as double-stranded RNA, and this will not further undergo translation. So this happens, the RNAi happens where? It happens in cytoplasm. Okay. So option A says nucleoplasm. No, nucleoplasm is a jelly-like substance which is present within the nucleus. So it doesn't happen in nucleus as we just discussed. Cytoplasm, absolutely right. That is where it happens. Then option C says mitochondria. There is nowhere relation of mitochondria with this particular process at all. Option D says nucleolus. Again, nucleolus is a part of the nucleus itself. Okay, and hence it is ruled out. So the correct answer is option B, that is cytoplasm. So let us conclude. The option B is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.